Hey guys, this is Tech Helpline bringing new tutorial videos on your daily applications. Watch the video till the end to know how to, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get updated on any new how-to tutorials. So today we are going to learn how to add music on Snapchat Story. Adding sounds to snaps is not that hard now, so first what we need to do is we need to open the Snapchat camera. Once we do that, you need to tap on the sounds button, which would be shaped like a music note at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, there would be a chevron which can be pressed to expand the menu. From here, the user can add a sound either before or even after taking a snap. Both the processes will be similar in both cases. So adding a sound first is same as adding it afterwards. If you want to play the sounds particularly, you can search for this. You cannot search, I'm sorry, you cannot search for specific songs since it is not possible right now. Also, the company will give this functionality soon in the future. Press the play button on any song if you want to play the song. So if you want to select a song and use this as a feature on your video, you just click on the song and now you're connected with the audio along with its recording video. After the sound is added, it is possible to adjust the song's portion that the user wants to play by simply dragging the waveform's length to left or right. For this, the song will turn into a sticker and it can be freely moved around the screen. So guys, this is how you add music on Snapchat Story. If this video helped you, click the thumbs up button and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Helpline.